In this video, we're going to take a look at how to clean and maintain your Blendtec Rapid Rinser. The nature of any bar rinser is that it's somewhat self-cleaning, so it's going to be up to you to determine how often you're going to need to clean yours. But here are a few pointers to help you think about coming up with the best plan. So first, if you use a lot of milk and dairy, you're going to need to keep on top of removing any milk residue. You might want to consider at least flushing the rinser through at the end of each day, with possibly a supplementary deep clean once per week. Check that your wastewater pipe is correctly positioned. If you're using the full rinse station on counter, remember that the wastewater pipe is gravity fed and you'll need to make sure that waste liquid can drain away. So you don't want to have a bend in the pipe where liquid might be able to pool. When it is time to give your rapid rinser a deep clean, it's very easy to do and the whole process should take around 3 to 5 minutes. You'll just need some soapy water or a sanitizing solution of your choice, a cloth, a towel, and perhaps an old toothbrush and a long, flexible pipe brush. Find a bench to lay a towel on, just so that you can make sure not to lose any parts. Disconnect your rinser using the quick release valve. Unscrew the stainless steel spray nozzle by turning it anti-clockwise. Sometimes this can be quite tight, so you might need to wrap a cloth around it for extra grip. If you're really struggling, you can use a pair of pliers to gently untighten the spray nozzle and then unscrew the rest by hand. Once the spray nozzle is off, you'll be able to lift the upper shell and see inside. We can see the water valve assembly and the spring. Unless there's a specific problem with the water flow, leave the water valve assembly in place. The upper and lower shells along with the spring can all be washed with dish soap and water. If it's really dirty, leave it in soak for 10 minutes and then I'd recommend using an old toothbrush to get into all the corners and edges. If you have the rapid rinse drainage station, use the pipe brush to loosen up any milk residue that might have built up in the waste pipe and then rinse thoroughly with soapy water. Pop the spring back into position, replace the upper shell and then tighten the spray nozzle. Connect the rinser back to the mains water using the quick connect valve and that's all there is to it. If you've noticed that your rinser is not working as it should be, perhaps it's quite an old unit or it's not spraying as well as it used to, check out my troubleshooting guide which you can see in the description below. Thanks for watching.